Hi, I'm Brad with Cemstone Supply. I'd like to take a few moments and show you some of the benefits and features that we have to offer you.
Over here is our grand fire ring kit that we sell. It comes in a kit with instructions, so you could do it yourself within probably 2 hours. There's 5 colors to choose from. There's also some different options you can get with it as well. If you want to have it higher, you can get an extra layer for it. If you like to cook outside over the fire, you can get a cooking grate. Say you want to finish it off really nicely, they also have a cap that they make for it that will give it that nice finishing touch. Easy spark screen is another option that you can get. So you can stop out at our 24/7 display at any time and see this for yourself, and also see our outdoor and accessories kits as well.